All right.
We had taken a little break there to troubleshoot why the sound wasn't functioning properly, and through a little experimentation, which would probably bore you, we figured it out, and we'll take the time right now to explain to you what's happening in case the same thing happens to you.
All right. So in this case, we have an end object, and in this case, the end object was conflicting with our sound because Blender was deleting the object before it was playing the sound.
Okay, so how do we fix that, Daniel?
To fix this, we're going to have to add the sound to something else, just so it's not connected to the end.
Now, you showed me that you can move those up and down in the tree, but does that not really change it?
In some cases it will, depending on, because I think generally the object is for
so how did you move it up? Let's just show that.
You just click on it.
Click on it and move up or down. Right. But that's not necessarily going to affect the order that the events happen. It's more for organization in that list. Right. Okay. So you think we should take the sounds off of this and put them on some other item, some other event? Okay.
So yeah, we can do that, and that will actually be pretty simple by adding it to our score.
Oh, okay. That's a good idea.
We already have that set up. Just do the same thing, add to sound called EA.
So you've built several games, and have you found this to be a problem before, that you'd have to kind of change your thought process about where you added an event?
Yes. I mean, in Blender, a lot of things you can count on just about anything working different than the way it should work so far. I mean, pretty much the things are fairly unintuitive, but they're really working on that in 2.5, so hopefully things will be a lot better in that regard, but, you know.
Well, that said, it's still a pretty awesome environment to be able to build a free game, and even if you have to work around some quirks from time to time, don't you? Definitely. So, also benefit of having somebody instruct you in the quirks rather than having to hack through them on your own, which I imagine you've done a fair amount of over the years.
Yes. All right, so basically we're going to, when the score is incremented, we're going to play the ouch sound. So, when we hit the monkey, it sent that message, and so it should end up the same way.
All right, and we're going to test this, and we're going to see if this is going to work.
So let's start it up. Okay, you can hear kind of a whisper there.
Okay.
Let me change this to play end, and we'll see if that works. There we go.
Excellent. Okay. Now, there's a volume on that. Other than the system volume, what does that volume do?
Well, actually, this volume does affect the system volume. It's just an easy, or actually, if we go to the channel right here, you'll see this volume slider.
Mm-hmm.
If you go back and adjust this, and then go back again, you'll see it's changed.
And it's adjusted the system volume here. Okay.
So this is basically just easy way to adjust the volume of the sound.
Okay.
Without going back to that panel. And the thing is, if I added another sound, or let's just, for example, change this to ouch, I cannot adjust this. It shouldn't be. Okay, you see that updated.
It'll update. Okay, so it's going to affect them both. So it's not the volume that's specific to that one sound, is it?
Right.
Okay.
Okay, so now we just have to connect the...
So it's sort of the same thing with pitch. It's going to affect the pitch of everything, or just that one sound?
That one sound.
But everywhere it's used.
Right.
Okay.
And play end.
Now play end means what? It will play it and then it will stop playing it, versus play, say, loop, or to loop it would... What would it play it over and over? Ouch, 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 ouch. Okay.
Right.
So we want play end.
Okay. So let's test this out. So if we shoot one, we have the ouch, and if we let some go,
Yay! 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 Ow! 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 Yay! 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 Ow! 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 Ow!
All right, that's pretty obnoxious. But we'll just go ahead and let that go. Okay, so you showed me something earlier, and that was having the monkey head disappear is pretty cool. But how about we take a quick break, and then you show me something really awesome we can do with the monkey head when we have the coconut hit it.
All right.